Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for June 1 to 15, 2024. Ayan, so let's see what's coming to you, and if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Aries, June 1 to 15, energy update. What's up? What's coming? Temperance. This is patience. You are maintaining balance in your life. So, maaring meron kang mga hinihintay, no, na mangyari. Hinihintay na dumating sa'yo. But, ngayong first half ng June, kailangan maging patient ka dito sa hinihintay mo na ito. Maaring meron ka rin kailangang ayusin pa, no? You need to prepare for something habang naghihintay ka. Alam mo yung tipong you can multitask habang naghihintay. Kasi di ba pag naghihintay tayo, yung kadalasan nakatunganga lang tayo, hinihintay natin kung darating ba yun or what. So, you are encouraged na habang may hinihintay ka, maging productive ka pa rin. Let's see. Uy, the Empress. So, ano man tong hinihintay mo parating na to? The Empress is about productivity, creativity, abundance. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring ngayong first half ng June, possible rin na hinihintay nyo na lang na manganak kayo, no? Or, manganak yung asawa nyo, ganon. Kasi may pregnancy rin dito. Or maaring meron kayong hinihintay na blessings or pera na parating. You have the Page of Wands. Some of you merong i-explore. You may be exploring your talents, your skills. Yung iba sa inyo may travel opportunities. And you have the Ace of Swords. Okay. So, new beginnings for you. Merong bagong idea, no, that will bring you abundance. So, kung ano man tong iniisip mo na mga plano, as long as ikaw ay naghanda, no, nag-prepare ka for this, kung ano man tong plans mo, this is going to be successful. This will bring you abundance, prosperity. Yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong plans of trying a new job, a new career, or moving, no? Paglipat ng bahay. Let's see what else. So, tinan natin sa money, career, finances. Message for money, career, finances. The Six of Wands. O, diba? So, meron talaga ritong success. Ito yung pagkatapos mong effortan, trabahuhin, makukuha mo yung reward. So, maaring meron kang recognition, no? Ngayong first half ng June, your work will be recognized sa trabaho man yan, sa business, sa career. You have the Knight of Swords. I think you're going to be very busy ngayong first half ng June sa mga aasikasuhin ng paperworks, or maaring you are writing, no? Creative writing, ganyan. Kung mahilig ka magsulat, poetry, articles, there's a certain level of fame. So, maaring makikilala ka sa iyong field, sa field of work mo. Nine of Cups, this is your fulfillment, no? Oo, kaya, kumbaga, kalmahan mo lang, wag mo masyadong madaliin yung proseso. Kasi eventually, you are going to get your wishes. Kumbaga, marireceive mo yung wish mo, yung kumbaga ma-fulfill mo yung goals mo ngayong first half ng June. So, tinan natin sa sa love life naman. Love life ng mga Aries. You have the Knight of Pentacles. Pwedeng you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, especially a Virgo. Two of Cups. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring nagkaroon ng challenge yung relationship niyo in the past. Pero, hindi nyo agad-agad, parang, hindi nyo agad-agad napagdesisyonan na makipaghiwalay. Kumbaga, you are still thinking of working things out. Maari ngayon, na-realize mo na this person is talagang for you, no? Gusto mong makasama tong taong to. Para kasing meron ditong, nagkaroon dito ng cool off. Yung parang binigyan nyo ng space yung isa't isa. And now, you are going to be back. Or ngayon, magkakaayos. Oo, kung ano man yung mga naging issues nyo, i-work out nyo yan. But if you are single, I think, can be a new person coming in sa'yo. Oo. Pero itong person na to, hindi na siya ganun kabago sa'yo, no? Pwedeng kaibigan, tapos madidevelop over time. Ganon. Let's see what else. Aries. O, diba? Romance. Romantic connection. Oo, kasi it seems na maraming mga admirers sa'yo. Lalo na sa workplace, no? Kumbaga, nakakita nila yung dedication mo sa trabaho, yung mga, kumbaga, whatever you are achieving right now, maraming nai-impress. Oo. Yes, you are also going to trust yourself sa mga gusto mo pang i-explore about life. And I think, lalo mo pang dadagdagan ng iyong knowledge, no? Ng iyong kaalaman. Because knowledge is power. Ayan. So, yung iba mag-aaral. You will also trust your decisions. Na everything will be okay. Yes, travel, long distance travel for some of you. This is also breaking free from a limitation. So, umaalis ka sa limitasyon mo ngayon. Uy, meron talaga kayong wish fulfillment or wish na mag-grant. Oo. Na may good luck eh. Halimbawa, wish nyo na, let's say, you are a content creator. Wish nyo na dumami yung subscribers nyo. Meron kayong certain number of subscribers na parang goal ninyo talaga. Makukuha nyo yun. And also, ito, you are rising up. Breaking free. Parang you are, kumbaga ito yung time for you to shine. Yan. It's your time to shine. So, if you are into public speaking, nasa public, yung tawag doon, mas nakikita ka ng mga tao, ganyan. Hindi kayong nasa private lang nagwo-work. Oo. So, enterprising din. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring will be successful in your business. You also have childhood, friendship, foundations, or revisiting the past. So, pwedeng meron kayong babalikan na let's say, hometown or lugar ninyo, dati kayo doon nakatira. Parang homecoming, oo. May mga ganyan, 'di ba? Or yung mga sa school, ang tawag doon, yung high school reunion, ganyan. Baka may a-attenan kayo. Yes, there's also partnership. O yung iba sa inyo pwedeng partnership sa business to, sa trabaho, but dun sa mas nakararami, romantic connection to. There is a partnership, togetherness. So, yung iba naman, may opportunity of collaboration with others for your business, for your career. O, diba? Midas touch. Things are working out in your favor, Aries, no? In what ways are you abundant right now? So, this is also about counting your blessings, no? Being grateful sa mga blessings na nare-receive mo. Kasi the more na nagiging grateful ka, the more na papasok yung blessing sa'yo. Kaya pag may Midas touch, kung ano yung hawakan mo, yun yung magiging successful. Let's say, meron kang pinasok na trabaho. nagiging mabilis yung pag-angat mo doon, or may sinubukan kang negosyo, magiging mabilis yung pag-unlad ng negosyo na yon. May sinubukan kang project, nagiging successful, or may mga recognition para sa'yo. Okay? So, very exciting for you ang first half ng June, Aries. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!